Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish fillet. First, select high-quality fish fillets, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat them completely dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for a good sear. Then, generously season both sides of your fillets with salt, black pepper, and any other herbs or spices you enjoy. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the fish fillets, skin side down if applicable, into the hot pan. Cook them undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is crispy and golden. Then, gently flip them over and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are opaque and flake easily. To enhance the flavor, add 1 tablespoon of butter and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to the pan during the last minute of cooking. Tilt the pan and use a spoon to baste the fillets with the melted butter and lemon mixture for about 30 seconds. This adds a wonderful richness and brightness. Once cooked through, remove the fish from the pan and serve immediately alongside your favorite vegetables or grains for a complete meal. Here are a few extra tips for perfect fish every time. Avoid overcrowding your pan, as this can steam the fish instead of searing it. Cook in batches if needed. A thin, flexible fish spatula is your best friend for flipping delicate fillets without them breaking apart. Remember, perfectly cooked fish should flake easily with a fork. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.